Hello, and welcome to Home Cleaning Pro Module 5. Beds, floors, and wrapping up. Making all the beds in the house will be a part of our normal cleaning tasks. If the client leaves fresh sheets out, we'll first take the old sheets off so that we can put the new sheets on. If they don't leave sheets out, then we'll make the bed with the sheets that are currently on the bed. First, take the corners of the fitted sheet and wrap it tightly around each corner of the bed. To know which way the fitted sheet should go, take a look at the tag underneath the sheet. Often the tag on the fitted sheet is meant to go on the bottom right corner of the bed if you are facing it. Run your hand over the top to take out the wrinkles, and if need be, pull the sheet tighter until it is completely flat against the bed. Next, we'll put on the sheet. Most sheets have an end that is folded over and stitched along the entire length of the sheet. Find this side, and that should go at the top of the bed. Position the top sheet about 6 inches to a foot away from the end of the head of the bed. Then be sure that the excess sheet that is hanging over each side of the bed is even on both sides. From there, stretch the sheet out over the bed until it is completely flat and there are no more wrinkles. Now it's time to tuck the top sheet under the bed. If you're on the left side of the bed, use your left hand to lift the mattress and use your right hand to tuck the sheet tightly under the bed. Then, grab the sheet about a foot in from the end of the bed and bring it up and tuck it over the top of the bed, forming a triangle.